Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream caramel from a box mix. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 box of cream caramel mix, typically requiring 2 cups of milk and a few tablespoons of sugar. Make sure you have an 8" by 8" baking dish ready, along with a saucepan and a whisk. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious dessert. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel layer. Open the small sachet of caramel that comes with your box mix and pour its contents directly into your chosen baking dish. Using the back of a spoon or by tilting the dish, carefully spread the caramel evenly across the entire bottom surface. If it's a bit stiff, a quick 5-second warm-up in the microwave can help it become more pliable, ensuring a perfect, consistent base for your cream caramel. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. Pour the contents of the large cream caramel powder sachet into your saucepan. Gradually add 2 cups of milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Now, stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, adjusting to your taste preference. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue whisking for about 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture begins to thicken and coats the back of a spoon, indicating it's ready. Finally, it's time for baking and chilling. Carefully pour the warm, thickened custard mixture over the caramel layer in your prepared baking dish. Place the dish into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 45 minutes, or until the custard is set. Once baked, let it cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to achieve that perfect firm texture and allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.